Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mugraad. Today I will show you how to make a RC Tractor steering system. First of all, I welcome to all those who are new to our channel. If you like this content, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like to hear more from us. List of materials used in this project is given in the description box, so please have a look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like to hear more from us and comment below if you have any requests or suggestions. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.